Today we're going to tour a very unique property in the CAYMAN subdivision of Doral. And the reason why it's so unique is because everything in the inside has been completely remodeled, having just shy of 2,600 square feet under AC, and is listed for $1,149,000. This home, you don't have anything to do with it. Once you move into it, it's fully remodeled. Come take a look so you guys can see yourselves. Follow me. This property has high ceilings, 20 feet high, and everything has been redone. They smoothen out all the walls, so no more texture, to make the home more modern. A lot of natural light. If you are the type of person that likes natural light in your home, this could be for you. You have extra storage space here down below your stairs and the kitchen. Honestly, it's amazing. They open all of this up. They have the nice wood finishes in the bottom. You can fit 4 to 5 chairs, and you have the island. And what I like about the most is that the way they established the island, they left enough space for you to walk around. If you're actually washing your dishes, you can still have people here without bumping into each other, because there is enough space for you to walk around. Look at this. You can open up both doors and they don't hit. One of my favorite parts and why I think this property is so unique is because it offers you 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and you even have a loft space upstairs for any offices you want to add into it. And if you follow me, you can actually see the backyard, which requires 0 to maintain. You have pavers all the way around. If you don't like to maintain plants or cut grass, this could be for you. You got more space over here. And in the exterior, you will notice that the entire home has been freshly painted as well. This is a fee simple property, which means that your property walls are not touching the neighbor. You have access to your entire property from your backyard, which is why you also have more walkable space here on the right side of the property. So you're not sharing any walls with any neighbor. You have a whole bedroom and bathroom that's been fully renovated downstairs, and you also, in the bedroom, have access to the backyard for the bedroom downstairs, which means you have 3 bedrooms upstairs with 2 full bathrooms, giving you enough space upstairs where it's very spacious. Let's go take a look. One thing that I noticed as soon as I started going up the stairs is that they're very firm, they're very solid. Sometimes in Miami, when you go up to 2-story properties, you have a lot of wood framing and you feel the vibrations. Not here, guys. This is marble flooring and porcelanato tile. Upstairs, it is super rigid. And as soon as you walk in, you see all of this open space. You have a nice loft with 2 locations for outlets to be connected, whether you have an office or whether you have a TV room or a playroom for the kids. This loft area in the top is super useful, super helpful. Also, double door entrance to your master bedroom. You walk in and you see you have the crop ceiling, no popcorn ceiling, no texture walls, everything smooth, nice and modern. Beautiful floors. And the best part of it all, from the throne, you can see your entire bathroom. You can see the huge glass and the shower with amazing tile, and everything here has been upgraded. With the lights behind the mirrors, you have the granite countertops and quartz countertops as well. Let's go check out the other bedrooms. The second bathroom, spacious enough for you to walk around, have all your stuff here in the large countertop space, and also lights behind the mirror. And this bathroom is shared with these other bedrooms as well. And actually, you get a bonus 5th bedroom right here as well. 5th bedrooms and a loft, 3 bathrooms. Honestly, this property is super spacious. And if you or anyone you know is looking to get a 5-bedroom home in Doral, this property may be for you. It is fully renovated. There is nothing that you have to do here to move in, and you can still make it your own. So it's considered like a white canvas, but all modernized. If you guys want to know how you can do a private tour, all you got to do is send me a message at 305-439-6211 so we can get you to tour this property or any other property that you may have in mind looking to purchase. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.